Keeping your Generac generator in top condition is essential for reliable backup power. One of the most important maintenance tasks is replacing the oil filter. This simple procedure can significantly extend the life of your generator and ensure it performs optimally when you need it most. Why is replacing the oil filter so crucial? Over time, the oil filter collects debris and contaminants from the engine oil. A clogged filter can restrict oil flow, leading to increased wear and potential engine damage. Regular replacement ensures clean oil circulates through your generator's engine, protecting its vital components. Before we begin, gather the necessary tools and materials. You will need a new oil filter specifically designed for your Generac generator model, an oil filter wrench, a clean rag, and protective gloves. It is also a good idea to have some fresh oil on hand, as you may need to top up the oil level after the filter change. Now let us go through the step-by-step process of replacing your Generac generator's oil filter. First, ensure the generator is turned off and has cooled down completely. Locate the oil filter, which is typically found near the oil pan on the side of the engine. Place a drain pan underneath the oil filter to catch any oil that may spill during the process. Using the oil filter wrench, carefully loosen the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. Once loose, unscrew the filter by hand, being cautious of any hot oil that may drain out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of clean oil to the rubber gasket on the new filter. This will help create a proper seal. Screw the new filter on by hand, turning it clockwise until it is snug. Then, use the oil filter wrench to give it an additional quarter turn. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the filter or make it difficult to remove in the future. After installing the new filter, check the oil level in your generator and add oil if necessary. Start the generator and let it run for a few minutes. Then check for any leaks around the new filter. If you notice any leaks, shut off the generator immediately and tighten the filter slightly. Remember to always prioritize safety when working on your generator. Wear protective gloves to guard against hot oil and sharp edges. Dispose of the old oil filter and any used oil properly, following local regulations for hazardous waste disposal. By regularly replacing your Generac generator's oil filter, you are ensuring its longevity and reliability. This simple maintenance task can prevent costly repairs and keep your backup power system ready for action when you need it most. Make it a part of your routine generator maintenance, and you will enjoy years of dependable service from your Generac generator.